Sophia Ostrom, Master Lee. All right, y'all. Today we are at Dulles Airport in Washington, D.C. And this place is a classic. I call it that because I used to travel from here all the time when I used to live in Virginia like 30 years ago when I went to high school out here. And I have to say, for the most part, this airport has not changed much.
No upgrade?
Well, one major upgrade, which you can see way off in the distance there, is the metro comes here now. So you can actually take this airport all the way to Washington, D.C., because technically the airport is based in Virginia, Dulles, Virginia, which is quite a bit of ways away. But otherwise, this terminal looks exactly the same. I remember this like opposite concave roof, and well, this place still uses like bus trams to get you from terminal to terminal. They never built like an underground tram or anything like that, or like moving escalators. So other than that, that's my point. Like, it hasn't been upgraded much. And I think this is it. One giant ass terminal here. All right, this goes all the way down from one end to the other. I guess so. But I feel like this airport gets a lot of traffic. I mean, there are three major airports in the Metro DC area. One in Baltimore, IAD, which is Reagan. No, actually, that's another airport. Reagan National Airport, and this one here in Dulles, which is IAD. All right, we're at Gate D. Let's see where we needs to go. Okay, I guess we got to go this way. Well, you need to go this way. I'm going to go to the TSA pre-check because I'm special and you're not.
Just gonna leave me.
Yes. Let's hope immigration doesn't pick you up.
Are you sure? I'm not TSA?
No, you're not.
I got an email.
No, you're not special.
I am special.
All right, see you on the other side.
No! Wait, I need a ticket though. Did you say?
Okay, I already told you. This is what I said 3 times to you in the car. It's on your text message. It's all digital now. The rest of it's up to you to figure out. Bye-bye.
Watch it. Watch
Oh, sorry. So I'm going this way. What's that?
Pero es que a mí me pasó una cosa.
TSA pre-check?
Have a nice day all the way down.
Oh, all the way down. Okay. Saturday afternoon. So I don't know if this is typical level of activity here. It's kind of empty in the airport, actually. It's nice. It's not too busy here. And I smell fast food, so there must be a place nearby where they're serving food. Fried food, that is. Wait a minute, so there's TSA pre-check, and then there's Clear Plus. What the F is Clear Plus? I have no idea. By the way, now you need to fly with real ID. You guys got to make sure. Although I heard that you guys are still letting people on in case they don't have real ID still? Sort of like,
Since it still started.
kind of like a grace period? Okay, well, otherwise you all make sure you got it.
Yeah, for pre-check, all they make you do is take off your shoes if you don't have
Is
it.
it? Okay.
But
Pretty soon, they're going to make you Uber everywhere in case you can't get on the flight. Something like that, right?
yeah, they're going to start cracking down on it soon.
There you go, cracking down. All right, pass through pre-check, TSA. We're not going down to the gates. Hopefully Lulu made it across. No problems there. Beautiful day out here in Washington, D.C., by the way. Nice and sunny, not too hot. It's been raining on and off all week, so it's nice that it's so sunny. All right, let's see if our flight to Vegas is on time. Los Angeles, Las Vegas, United, on time. D5. Let's do it. Well, I guess I'll just wait here till I see her. Actually, I have no idea if she even comes this way. Maybe I don't want to wait for her. She's a big girl, she can find her way. Alright, so this is what's unique about Dulles Airport here. A lot of the gates are in another building. So, you gotta take these buses to get to them.
Got it.
Yeah, so I'm like, it's like, I think that's kind of the mentality you go into it with, is like, you know, you get on site, at least in my role, it's like, I just think.
I might grab a sandwich. I never liked anything that they put together in those
Hot boxes or whatever. I saw it, but like, on my flight, you get the cameras. How? It's like, we don't know how you did it, and she's like, yeah, I'm sorry. What was this?
Look at that plane. What is that? Brussels Airlines.
on my way here. You know, I leave a house. So I had pizza the night before. So I had
Like something is in your stomach.
Yeah. I had a piece of cold pizza for breakfast.
That is, what is that? Singapore Airlines? No, Lithuania. No, Lufthansa.
Like I've been around Europe. I just am. I feel better when I
Three is like that rough sound. Two is okay. Three is
Breeze. What's Breeze? Never heard of that one either.
yeah. And I get home at 6.
Oh wait, it'll be 9. Yeah. 9:30.
Yeah, but midnight to here.
Yeah,
Midnight to you.
Yeah. I can't give you too much material. It was so.
That is, yeah.
They all love that. You know that.
That's their jam. It's not my jam. There's an energy. Where was, did you have to take a Uber? Yeah, I was gonna say, there was a 20-minute. Yeah, then you would have lost me there too.
And it was like a speakeasy, like we had our own room.
It's so funny. Andy loves it. I love it. Did she sing?
Mandy? Yeah.
What's her song?
Well, you know, she and I have we sing a duet together.
Oh.
Every time we've done this, like we for another. Yeah. And we were gonna revive our original, which was this lady.
Yeah.
So it's so inappropriate
Yeah,
too.
right.
It's so funny. But I go, okay, well, is it Adrian's birthday? It ended up being Conrad and Rachel Ben's birthday. So we sang yeah, we had everybody kind of
Do.
yeah.
Nice, we got Chick-fil-A here. To step up the typical fast food joints. Rusty Tacos. Never heard of it.
If it's the day before, you're not going to order
KD5 way at the end here. All right, y'all, this is the end of the line. Either they are expanding this airport because I can see more construction off in the distance here. So the airport's definitely growing. And I guess that they're going to stick you to this whole bus tram service thing because that building is way off in the distance and doesn't look like it's connected to any other building any other way here. So that's what makes this place unique. All right, y'all. Have a good day. Catch you later.